Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the Realme Buds Wireless 3. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and then see how good the microphone sound quality is going to be. So the entire sound that you're going to hear in this video is going to be from the mic on the buds itself. So the mic on this is over here. So that's where the entire sound of this video is going to be from. So let's go ahead, see the test and then talk more about it. Let's go. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike, and it's very good. This scenario, hopefully, my sound is still audible and the sound is this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike. So hopefully my sound is audible now and the background is audible. So this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with the I'm beating it a little bit. So okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So I am next to 70 water fountains here. There's a lot of water sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you're in a lot of traffic. So I am outside Phoenix Mall right now. So lot of traffic. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we're doing the sound test in the mall next to food court. So a lot of people here, a lot of background sound music playing. The children, a lot of groups of people over here. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, so we are doing the sound test in an arcade. So a lot of sound here, a lot of machines. There's a bowling alley also here, so the sound from there, the sound from out there, different machines around here. Everything is coming in. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the background sound is not too overpowering. Okay, you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what was my experience with this. So no matter what scenario you use it in, except for the wind scenario, the sound was good enough. So this is a under 2000 rupees neckband. So you get it for between 1699 to 1799, depending on where you get it from. So I'll be putting the link for that in the description. So for that price, I think the microphone sound quality is quite good. Wind sound was a problem because the mic is over here and it is upward facing. It's not inside, it's not downward facing, or it's not a little more here, or it's not on the wires so that it goes inside the helmet. It's here. So in any scenario, it was just catching wind. So other than the wind scenario, I actually liked all the other scenarios. So it does noise cancelling for phone calls and it does noise cancelling for you when you are listening to music, or just in case you don't want to listen to music and you want to switch on the noise cancelling, it's good for that too. Now, this is not going to be very powerful noise cancellation. There are other headphones, neck bands, earbuds and all, which are much more expensive. They do a better job with noise cancelling, but for the price, I think the noise cancellation is quite good. And especially if you're looking for something which you can use for phone calls with noise cancelling and under a budget, then this is one of the good ones. Now, I have tested the OnePlus neckband, OnePlus Bullets neckband ANC. That is better than this in noise cancellation, but that is 2,200 rupees. So the price is also more. So I have made a video for that also, testing video for that. You can go ahead and see that in the channel, and I'll put the link in the description also. So then you can compare for yourself which one do you like better, this one or the OnePlus, because the price difference is not too much. So that's all for this video. Now, if you like the video and want to see the video in Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.